To send MS Word file in Messenger using laptop. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can send MS Word document file in Messenger using your laptop or your PC. Now the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Simply open up Google Chrome or any other browser and head into facebook.com. You can see I've headed into facebook.com and logged into my account. Now here at the right hand side, you'll be able to see the online friends, or from the chat you can open up any chat history as well. Head into the chat that you want to send the Word document to. You can simply click on it and it'll pop up here. Now once the chat opens up here, as you can see on the screen, what you're going to do is click on this gallery icon. You can see attach a file option at the bottom of the screen where my mouse cursor is. Simply click on it and you'll be able to browse through your computer. Now the first thing you want to make sure before doing this is that you download the Word document file into your computer. Now here, if I open up my files here under downloads, you can see I have downloaded the sample Word document file here. Rest are the other sample documents as well. This is the sample Word document. Make sure you download it to your computer before you do this, and then head into your browser and open up Facebook and open up chat here. And once you open up, what you want to do is click on this attach file option, and here now head into the browser that you have saved the file or the Word document to. In my case, it's on the downloads, you can see, and then simply click on it and select it and then click on open. Once you open here, you can see the document attached up here. What you want to do is simply click on send option here. You can add messages if you want, and then simply click on send option here. Click on send icon and click the send. So this way you can send MS Word file in Messenger using laptop. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.